In this video, I will talk about the main features of MuzTrends that will include trending products. Let me show you the trending products. This is one of the main feature, trending products. Then we have winning products and product keywords as well. So I will talk about these features one by one. In product keywords, you get thousands of trending search terms related to products from Google Trends every day. So you can see we have around 12,000 searches. So I will also get into this in a bit, but let's go to the trending products first. So in trending products, we select the highest trending products according to Google Trends from our database of around 7,000 products. So we keep adding new products every day, and right now we have around 7,000 products, and we run them on Google Trends and select the highest trending. So these are like showing the highest trend right now, and we are updating these highest trending products every day. So this is a big deal. You can use these products because these are highest trending, which means they have sudden increase in number of searches on Google search engine. And if you promote these products in a timely fashion, you will definitely make some easy sales, easy profits. So this is showing like 10,000 trend rise in let's say in past 24 hours, and this is the highest trending right now. Then we have this tattoo pen kit and a lot of other products, and as you scroll down, you will see the search trend rise percentage will start decreasing. So this is how these are selected according to Google Trends, and this is from United States. So you can also like search them on Google Trends, and you see this is the same trend that you will get on Google Trends. And if you're a Concur member, you will get trends from around 15 countries and in exact search terms that people are using on Google search engine. So this is another big deal, and you can use like these exact search terms on Google search engine, on Facebook, or you can also use for SEO on your blogs. So this is about trending products. You can also like switch categories. Let me just go back to United States. You can switch categories like let's go with fitness. Yeah, fitness. Let's see if we have like number 56 product. So this is fitness related, another product, then some more. So you can also like switch categories and find the highest trending products according to those categories. The next feature in this tool is winning products. So winning products are selected every day from thousands of trending product keywords from Google Trends. So this is the third section in which we have like raw results. We don't like filter out these results, and we select the best performing products according to our like research, and we add them here. So every day like 20, 30, 40 products are added. You can see today 13 products were added from USA and 19 products for other countries. So we have like 15 countries, and these products are also according to Google Trends. So we track like thousands of trending searches from Google Trends and find the best performing products and add them here. You can see some really cool products. So these were trending in past 24 hours, and we have added them here. Right now, the list is around 3,242 products in the United States. And you can see these were added today. So these are like 6, 9, and somewhere like 12. So every day, 12, 13, 14, 15 products are added. And you can also again switch to other countries and get the products with exact search terms. This is for Germany. You can see the product's name in German. Again, you have filter options here. You can switch categories. Let's say if you want to go with let's say pets, So you get all the pets related products. You also have some other filters like you can also like switch according to the highest trending ones. So these are the highest trending in pets. You can see the trend percentage right here. You can open any of these products. Let's say this one, and you will get some other details. The date when the trend was captured, the trend rise, percentage rise in trend, search trend on Google Trends, search volume, competition, CPC, profit and cost of product, Amazon, AliExpress link, Facebook ad information, some targeting information as well. So these are the things, information that you will get here. There are some other filters like price high to low, competition high to low, CPC, volume, and other some features. So this was the winning product, and these winning products are selected from product keywords. So there are like thousands of trending keywords, product related, that we get from Google Trends. As you can see, we have around 12,000 search trend keywords today on 21st of November, and these are from all countries. So we select the products from here. You can also like use these trending product keywords for all sorts of purposes. You can use them for targeting on search engine, on Google Ads, on Bing Ads, or you can use them on Facebook as well. You can also like use them for search engine optimization purposes. So there are a couple of things that you can do with these trending product keywords. Again, you can have option of selecting from certain country. Let's say France. You can search and get all the keywords, and here the trending product keywords are sorted out by trend rise, and so you have some other features as well. You can also like calculate CPC, competition and volume of these keywords using a third-party service, which is data for SEO. So the tutorial about that is available in another video. So these are the main features of MuzTrends. You can also sign up for free today by visiting www.muztrends.com. We also have some special features, coaching offer as well. So make sure to check that out. This is all from this video.